I just had landed my plane. Now we're going to get another flight out of it. Let's see where the wind lift it back into the air. There we go. There we go. Back up. Okay, now we're starting to get a lot of wind. Don't want to head towards that tree there. We're getting a lot of wind, so it's a little too gusty for this thing to fly. Oh, that was a perfect landing. Now, this is right here is the throttle. And this little thing right here is just to make it turn. And this is the elevator. See, this is how I make it go up. That's how I make it go down. So now I'm about to do another flight. This thing really wants to go back up in the air. So we're going to try to do a steady flight without hitting these trees. It's a little windy out here for this little man. So now we're going to give it another nice takeoff into the wind. Now the wind is just torching it around, so that's why I was trying to struggle to stay in the air. So let me just, there we go. Place it down the transmitter. And here we go. Oh, but now the wind's starting to get, see, as you can see, the plane just flopped over. Oh, failed. The wind is torching it around. And it doesn't seem that it doesn't want the plane to fly. But the plane is working its way. See if we can do a takeoff that way. Here we go. Okay, wow, this battery might be going dead. So let me just put a new one in real fast. The plane is trying to work its way up as the wind is they had a really bad storm this morning and last night. And that's why this wind is blowing it so hard. I'll see if I can launch it. I'm gonna try to launch it. Nope, that don't work. So we're gonna put a new battery in. So let's just get a new battery. Okay. I'm gonna try harder. I got 2 extra batteries for this. So this is the battery that just came out. The battery's hot. Now we're gonna place it in my pocket. Now we're gonna land. Now we're gonna see if we can get another flight out. Yeah, but I'm trying to fly it in this wind. This thing should have a lot of power now. So let me just cut it off. There we go. Oh, so let's go place it. Now I'm about to cut the plane on in just a second. The one that just came out of the plane is in this pocket right here. To my pocket of my shorts. So we're about to go place the plane back right here. And we're going to see if the wind will carry it up with this thing fully charged. Well, I just put a new battery in. So let's cut on the plane first. Let's cut on the plane first. Okay, that red light's blinking. Turn on the transmitter. Okay, now we are ready. Check the difference with the thrust. Now this thing is turned by different with the thrust. Now that wind is starting to get harder, so let's go ahead and take off before it gets even harder. So let's go. Just trying to work its way up. We're gonna try a different way to get this thing back in the air. Ah. Yeah, it's trying. There we go. We're back up. Up. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's working its way. For a little plane like this. Oh, it hit me. Well, that almost got me in the face there. But good thing it didn't. All of a sudden it just went down and hit at me. So that's just about the. So let's try out one more again. Let's let this car go by. Okay. So. Oh, there you go. Wind torching it. The wind's torching it again. Yeah, you guys can hear that strong wind blowing. Yeah, this thing is trying to work its way. But I'm glad I got it. So this is a pretty good flight. Now we're going to try to do another long distance takeoff. See if we can make it fly better this time. Elevator up. Oh, there we go. It almost went in the grass there. And we're in the air. And now we're not. We just crashed. The wind is hopefully on a better day we'll get a good flight out of this. That was weird. It looked like it landed that way, but it actually came up landing like that. Once I thought it was going that way, but it landed just like that. But I thought it was going that way and landed, but it actually turned and went like that. So we're about to try another takeoff. This thing's really fun, I gotta say. Okay, now that wind is gone a little. Okay, now we're starting to get it again. So let's hurry up and take off before that wind start bursting. Okay. We're in the air. Now we're not. For some reason it's not coming. I got it straightened. Let's see what the problem is. It ain't taking off. Unless that battery had popped out. That's not what I was suspecting. That battery might be dead now. I don't believe it. We just put that sucker in. We'll try the other battery. You know what? I'm not gonna waste any more time, so I'm just gonna. I put the dead battery in the. Alright guys, so I only have one big battery left. So we'll go ahead and install that. Alright, all the batteries in there installed. Okay, different with the thrust is working. Okay, elevator's good. Now let's see about this battery. Hold on, take off this way. Huh. Okay, the wind just flipped it over. Now the plane is back on its wheels. And it is not taking off at all. I guess I'm gonna have to launch it. It is not taking off from the ground at all. So we're just gonna go ahead and launch it here. There we go, we're in the air. So the plane did not want to take off from the ground. So I had to toss it in the air. Okay, now it's starting to get fast. Okay. Now it was trying to go there to the fire department, so I didn't want it to go over there to them trees. So that's why I was saying up. I didn't want it to hit those trees, so we'll try. Okay, looks like the wind has stopped. Now we're going to take off from the ground, if it will. And that landing gear just popped out. I think that was the landing gear. No, it was a leaf. I thought it was a landing gear. So it does not want to take off from the ground. So we're just launching it again, okay? Okay, now these cars are making me nervous because they keep coming back. Okay, let's slow her down. Oh, thought I was gonna hit the car there. So we're gonna bring it back for a landing. So we're gonna call it a flight. It's not doing very well. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoy that flight. See you guys on the next video. Demari out.